सो हे गाइस, दिस इज़ कुलदीप एंड हमने स्टार्ट कर ली है अपनी जर्नी रात के 10 बजे। बहन के यहाँ से हम निकले हैं और अब हम जा रहे हैं रेलवे स्टेशन देहरादून के, जहाँ पे हमें मिलेंगे बाकी के 2 भाई बहन। और वहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे हरिद्वार, जहाँ पे हमें मिलेंगे बाकी के 2 नहीं 1 कपल। और उसकी आगे की जर्नी वो आप आगे देखेंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून एंड लेट्स गो।
सो अभी द इशू इज़ दैट हम चले गए हैं अपोजिट एंड ऑफ दिस स्टेशन। आई मीन ऑल्सो द ट्रेन एज वेल। हमें जाना था आगे, हम चले गए पीछे स्लीपर को देखते हुए कि स्लीपर के बाद जनरल आएगा, बट जनरल तो सबसे आगे था इस ट्रेन में। सो अगेन अराउंड हाफ अ किलोमीटर वॉक बैक, और अब शायद पहुंचने वाले। ओह, बैक कैमरा का फ्लैप बंद है। या हियर इट इज़। That's my sister again. अबे यार, अभी तो ये आगे और है AC 3 tier, और यहाँ पे ये 2 सामान लेके मेरी उंगलियाँ टूट रही हैं। सो गाइस, भरोसा मत करना कि जनरल हमेशा पीछे हो, कभी कभी आगे भी होता है। Now next you will see me inside this luggage. What the fuck? This train. So here we have our train, and this is the general thing, and we got it here. My condition right now, I know what this. So this is my condition, showing you from the general class toilet mirror.
तो अब 3 घंटे बाद फाइनली ट्रेन जो है हरिद्वार पहुंच गई है एंड सारी भीड़ आ चुकी है यहाँ पे बाहर निकलने के लिए। सो हम सबसे पीछे खड़े हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंट हैं हम।
So hey guys, welcome to the day 1 of this vlog. First time I'm holding this thing, and it's not really easy to hold the gimbal like this and record. Well, right now we are in Haridwar. We came here from Dehradun, and I was with my sister, as you already know. And this guy is the brother of that girl with whom my sister was talking. And here you can see them. They are right there. Yeah, they left me, so I have to walk fast. Now from here we have to wait for another 3 hours, because they said that they have some friends here with whom they were gonna go. So we are gonna wait next 3 hours here in some lounge or waiting room, because the RPF guy didn't let us sit in those one of the waiting stands, saying that no, we do not have the ticket, which is also right, makes sense. But yeah, then let's see now. The itinerary is that we will be starting from Haridwar. They have a cab which they booked, and now that cab is gonna pick us at around 4-ish, and then our journey will start from there. So let's see you right after 3 hours.
सो अब 3 घंटे वहाँ वेट करने के बजाय हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना बाहर जाके थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर किया जाए। सो यहाँ पे मैम का आइडिया था कि चलो थोड़ा चाय पीते हैं। सो हम चल दिए उस तरफ को, एंड ये लोगों ने थोड़ी चाय पी, जो कि यहाँ पे है अब। और डिस्कशन किया कि अब आगे क्या करें 3 घंटा वेट करने के लिए, और कैसे करके हम प्लानिंग करें आगे की। सो ये फिक्स हुआ कि चलो सबसे पहले चाय पीते हैं, एंड देन उसके बाद चलते हैं किसी शॉप पे शॉपिंग करने के लिए। तो ये सब लोग तैयार होकर चल दिए। अभी डिसाइड हो रहा है कि ले क्या। तो जो पहली शॉप मिली वहाँ पे जाके थोड़ी पूछताछ करेंगे, एंड फिर उसके बाद अब वही महिलाओं वाले काम, बारगेनिंग करना एंड ये सब। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं थोड़ा ट्राई कर लेता हूँ अपने S23 अल्ट्रा का जूम। और ये रहा तुम्हें रात के 3 बजे जो क्लॉक टावर है वहाँ गंगा घाट का, वो दिख रहा है। इसके बाद इन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि गंगा घाट जाके थोड़ा सा अपने पाप धोए जाएं। सो 3 बजे स्ट्रीट ऐसी होती है और ये चल दिए गंगा घाट। वहाँ पे इन लोगों ने अपने पाप धोए और फिर डिसाइड हुआ कि चलो ये लोग थोड़ा अलग एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और हम थोड़ा अलग एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, जब तक कि जो वो दो दोस्त हैं इनके वो ना आ जाए। सो उनका वेट करते हुए हम एक्सप्लोर करें। यहाँ पे ये पाप धो के दूसरों को पूछते हैं कि क्या तुमने अपने पाप धोए। सो सबके पाप धोने के बाद हम चल दिए अपनी व्लॉगिंग बनाने के लिए।
So hey folks, right now it is 3ish. Let me check. It is right now 3:30 and we are here at Harki Pori. By the way, you know why it is called this one? I think I read it somewhere that they something like Vishnu's feet first time like touched earth at this place, probably, I'm not sure. Okay, so these people are doing some shopping here. What are they shopping for?
अरे वो पैसों को कोई टेंशन नहीं है, उसको तो सामानों से दोनों पैसे यहीं से निकाल लेते
And we are coming from here.
तो अब शॉपिंग होने के बाद हम चल दिए वापस बिना किसी मंजिल के। रोड पे चलते हुए हमारे पास एक ऑटो रिक्शा आया जिसने बोला चलो भैया 100 रुपये में बैठ जाओ। उससे हमें लगा नहीं नहीं भाई, हम तो क्यों पैसे देंगे, पैदल आए हैं पैदल जाएंगे। फिर कुछ टाइम बाद मैंने पीछे देखा और ये लोग जो है ऑटो में बैठ गए, तो मुझे भी जाना पड़ा। फिर
किधर जा रहे हैं हम? वापस स्टेशन।
और हाँ बोल के ये लोग बस ले गए हमको स्टेशन। अब हम चलते आई मीन बैठे 100 रुपये दे के पहुँच गए वापस स्टेशन।
So we are back to our station now, and this is in Haridwar Junction, as you can see here, right here, Haridwar Junction. So folks, we are back again from Harki Pori, and right now it's 3:30ish. There was this guy who was looking at me vlogging. Yeah, so I was saying that we just returned back from Harki Pori, and we are going to get our luggage and probably rest a little bit. We are waiting for other two people, their friends, and till then we will rest and charge our devices, because we have to start our trek at 5 and there won't be any other charging places. So off to our resting place. So apparently folks, my sister lost my lovely neckband, nothing neckband, and now I have to use my cheap Bolt 700 rupees neckband earbuds, which is not very good. Reason being, I'm gonna lose them as well.
Sure.
Anywho, so here are the people who are gonna come with us, and now we are just waiting for that taxi Bolero, which looks like that thing. Oh, oops! Again, I forgot to turn. Yeah, this thing. We have the same taxi booked.
Yes.
That he's gonna come at around 3:30. Now it's 5ish.
Great.
So let's see. Okay, so now we are confused that how people increased and how much they talked with the driver about how many people. So let's see what's gonna happen.
It's what?
The taxi costed around 6,000 rupees, and discussion going on about how many people will be there. So let's see. And this is our luggage, this much for camping. I'm not sure how I'm gonna take this for 22 kilometers. And she bought these for 150 rupees. Don't buy. I'm sure this is gonna suck
120.
on top.
120.
Okay, 120. And I bought this for 140, whose price was around 150. Yeah, so my back is already hurting, legs are paining, aching, paining. And yeah, so this is our sleeping bag. First and second, and somewhere here is our tent as well. This is our tent. We'll show when we will reach there. The journey will be for 5 hours, and we're gonna reach there, expecting to reach there at around 9 or 10, and then we'll start our trek. So we will only sleep in the car.
Yes.
So I guess next you will see some of me in the car, and then directly at this Sagar village.
तो भाई अब जब टैक्सी की लग चुकी है और जिस टैक्सी को बुक किया था वो टैक्सी वाले ने बोला कि इतने लोग तो आएंगे नहीं, इतना सामान आएगा नहीं, मेरे को और पैसे चाहिए, ये है वो है करके। सो अब हमने सोचा कि टैक्सी का जब तक वो लड़के सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, ये लड़कियां आके यहाँ पे खाना खा लेती हैं, तो वही ये अब यहाँ पे कर रही हैं। और इसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि कोई टैक्सी अगर उनको मिलती है तो ठीक है, वरना हमें ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा। सो सुबह होने वाली है थोड़ी देर में, एंड ये है कुछ बी रोल शॉट्स खाना खाते हुए।
दुनिया का सबसे हैंडसम कुत्ता। अरे 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 थोड़ी और लाड़ी करो ना यार, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा। वाह 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 वाह, फ्री मसाज, वाह बहुत दिनों बाद मिला। अरे अब बन रहा है।
Now we are off to back to station, and still waiting for that taxi. And since we are waiting, as you can see here, I mean not here, the sun might come from somewhere there. So finally that particular taxi came after we have been waiting for that guy since last 2 hours. But okay, now it's for 6,000, and just right now when we found some other person who was saying he will take us for like 5,000 or 4,500, then he came. Sweet. So now we have been walking again in the other direction while the car is in the other direction. The same thing we did with the train as well. Now the same thing happened with the car as well. यही हुआ था हमारे साथ ट्रेन में भी, जब हम उल्टी साइड आया गए ना हम. So there it is. My bag हाँ मिल गया था. अरे यार ऊपर रख दिया.
दिस इज पावर बैंक वगैरह सब उसी में ना. So not gonna lie, we thought that, I mean not, we didn't thought, the guy said that he will Bolero, and here we have the kidnapper's car. This shit, and seriously they fucked my bag.
भाई जो उल्टी वाला है उन्हें आगे रखो, उल्टी वाला
Unexpected things happens and unexpected shit happens, but at least we are leaving now, otherwise one day would get lost, waste. So let's see inside the car. Finally inside the car for the next 5 hours. Home kidnapper's car. And here we go. So this was the car that we were supposed to have. हाँ चलो
चलो यार जी, कौन क्या था आपने
यहाँ पे से. हाँ वो बात हो गई. सो ये जो बात हो गई वाली बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, वो ये है कि एक नंबर मिला था हमें और उसे कॉल करके हमें एक होम स्टे मिला जिनसे हमारी बात हुई, और वो इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में है. ये व्यू था वहाँ का. एंड इसके बाद हम उस होम स्टे में चले गए. ये वो होम स्टे था. इट्स नेम इज़ कृष्णा होम स्टे. So hey folks, this is Kuldeep now, and where are we? We are at the base of the place where we are supposed to start our trekking. This is called Sagar Gaon, and from here we will be starting our trekking towards Rudranath. So we came from that side and we will be going to that side. So let me just show you the scenery. Scenery. So here it is, you can see behind me all those villages. And this is where we will go, to that mountain right there behind me. And where were we staying right now? Well, we were searching for some place where we can keep our stuff and start our trek with the minimal stuff and the necessary stuff. Other homestays were asking around 1500 rupees, but we randomly called this homestay. Its name is Krishna Homestay, and their rent was also 1500, but because we told them that we don't want to live in the room, we just want to put our bags and all, so they charged us only 500 rupees per night. And this is the homestay. You can see their name right there, and these are the rooms. This is our room, that one, and these are the other homestays that are on this side. One more thing, so we just had our lunch here, and I have to say, the lady cooks so good. The auntie cooks so good, and especially her chutney. You should try it, definitely. It's like green chutney, and you should try it, definitely. I'll just show you the back side of this. Okay, so this is the mountain range where we are gonna trek. Not on this one, obviously. So we came from that side, and this is where we will go, and that is somewhere here is the temple Rudranath where we will trek. Fun fact that we came to know today, that there is a local god, local devta from there, who on the last day of the trekking go to meet Shiva in Rudranath temple, and the whole village make a, like, they call it doli. It's like how can I say it? People carry the god's idol or something on their shoulders, and then the whole village takes god by trekking all the way to that particular temple where the god is supposed to go. Then from there, yeah, and next day only in morning they will leave, and in next day around evening they will come back. So this is the address and other stuff. Homestay number you can see 9997763986. Now let me show you what's inside our room, how it is. हाँ, लेके जाना पड़ेगा। अगर करने देंगे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो हम जो हमारा फर्स्ट वो होगा स्टॉप, वहाँ पे टेंट छोड़ देंगे। So this is our messy room right now. We all are getting ready with our bags packed. 1, 2. There is a third one there. 3. Okay, 3 backpacks. Fine. So these are the shoes that we are wearing, and these are mine.
So folks, now finally we are off to our trekking. वो लोग कहाँ गए? साइड हो जाओ। क्या हुआ? चल आगे मानता हूँ। So folks, we were not able to go to the trekking route tonight because, as you can, it's already so dark. And हाँ, चलो 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 मेरे को क्यों?
मैं वही कह रही, कौन भैया की?
We are going back down to the village to find some homestay for a few hours, and then we will leave at around 3 or 4. Till then, enjoy the shadow. Problems after problems after problems. Well, it's fine, I guess. That's the part of the trek. The traditional hilly house.
ऐसा नहीं ना, मैं भी बोलने जा रही थी कि बस सिटी आने ही वाली है कि उधर वो भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना। ज्योति को इधर है, अच्छा वो दोनों। ये ब्लॉगर साहब हमें खाना भी चैन से नहीं खाने दे रहे हैं।
तुम खाना, ये वो वाला व्लॉग है, वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, अरे कौन सी पिक्चर होती है वो जो वैसे में लेते हैं,
कैसे में?
अरे मतलब बिना बताए।
बिना परमिशन के वो हमारा खाने की फोटो नहीं लेने का, मेरे को डाला था। देवी आई है वो जो 4 जनरेशन पहले आई थी, उसके बाद अब आई है। मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि हर साल आती है।
एक आदमी पे आती है।
अलग अलग वही तो है, ये एवेंजर असेंबल है, अलग अलग देवी देवता है यहाँ पे आती है, ठीक है। और ये इस विलेज में 300 साल के बाद हुआ है, प्लस उसके बाद वो अलग अलग जगहों पे भी जाएंगी 9 महीने तक।
9 महीने तक वो केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, जैसे वो देखा होगा ना रील्स में।
अच्छा क्या था?
वैसे।
हाँ हाँ, हाँ। पहले तो अब कल रुद्रनाथ जा रही है, तब कल तो रुद्रनाथ, परसों रुद्रनाथ से सीधा ये नीचे आएगा यो ग्वाड़। 18 को बल 18 19 को बल केदार जाएगा, केदार। तब केदारनाथ से आए फिर घर आएंगे, तब जाएंगे बद्रीनाथ, तब बद्रीनाथ से करेंगे
फिर
यात्रा।
यहीं आएंगे।
हाँ तब यही है, तब जाएंगे हरिद्वार में।
अच्छा अच्छा।
मर्च ठीक हो रही?
हाँ लग नहीं रही है।
नहीं लगे हैं? आएगा ना मर्च?
नहीं नहीं
हाँ?
ठीक है, लगानी नहीं मेरे को।
वो फिर से सो गए।
ये भी सही दफा क्या सो।
हाँ तो चलो।
Hey folks, so as you saw in the last part that we did not went to the trekking on this day, which is 15th. We were supposed to go, and on 16th we were supposed to come back, but it did not happen. Reason being, we were late, our driver was late, the taxi was late, and then we reached there, we were so much tired, so we decided to I'm not turning into Hulk. That is this light that is giving me this shade, so this is fine like this. So so we were so much tired that we took some time to be there, and then we left at 5ish for trekking, and then we came to know that we cannot camp there because of some forest rules, and that's why we left our tents in some shop, and from there oh fuck, it is still there. Yeah, then tomorrow we will go back and start the trek. But now the interesting part is that right now we are in this village Sagar Gaon or something like that, Sagar Gaon, where after we were coming down, so we were trying to find out where we should stay next, like for this day. We were thinking of we should get back our tent and camp in some like land nearby, but it was all wet, and there was some they have irrigation and all in the lands, so it was wet. So we randomly found an old lady, and we were just talking with her, and she said that camp anywhere you want, it's fine. Then this guy came, and this guy asked her, and she told him that these people want some place to rest. So he said, okay, come at my place, which is this place right here. He charged us 1,000 for 6 people, which is fine, and 150 rupees for food, to which we bargained, and he came down to 100. Food was good, homemade food. His wife cooked the food and his mom served it. But the interesting part is that today in this village there is a special occasion, there is a special ritual that they are performing, which is called Jagar, and you could see some people there. They are watching the Jagar and all. And what happens in this Jagar, the local gods, sometimes bigger gods also, they come to someone they called a ride, like a guy on whom the god will come, and they're gonna talk, solve their problems, and like show their presence. Interesting thing is, it's happening here after like I guess 100 or 150 years, or probably 200 years, because the guy was saying that, and the last time it happened was when his dad or grandfather was not born. So that's how it is. Tomorrow we will go with them. The interesting thing here is that this is happening today, and then the god in the shape in a doli, they say doli, it's like 2 people will take the idol sitting on a on a stick kind of thing, and they will take him or her, the god, to Rudranath, the temple, because tomorrow the gate will be closed for the winter. Then they will bring the god back here, then to another village. Then from there they will take him to Kedarnath. Then from Kedarnath to back to the village, then to Badrinath. So in this way the god will travel for 9 months into different places. I guess so. That is what I have understood. Probably me being outsider here, I might not understood everything. But yeah, this is happening. It's interesting. So tomorrow when we will follow them, the whole village will go with them, the god, to the temple. So we will go with them as well. So previously we would go alone and would not find that much interesting thing to do or know. But now we have a whole village behind us who would come. So it's very cold here. I am just wearing a t-shirt and a red jacket. This I bought from Mussoorie. But yeah, it is still hot, like cold. I can feel some headache happening because of that. So if you're coming here, make sure to buy some very hot clothes from Decathlon, fleece, jackets and all. So next vlog I will start tomorrow 7 a.m. Me signing out. Bye.